Hey there! Welcome back to my channel, Chef Flora 6. I'm sharing one of my favorite mouth-watering recipes today, the one-pot beer braised chicken stew with bacon and mushrooms. This is super easy and the chicken always comes out so tender. Before we start, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell. I post written recipes on my Instagram, so do follow me there as well. I've included a link in the description box below. So let's get started. Here's what you need for this recipe. Preparation for this dish is extremely simple. You want to dice up all the onion, mushroom, and parsley right off the bat. If your bacon isn't already diced, do that here. Then deal with the chicken thighs. I used boneless ones here, but feel free to use chicken thighs with the bone. The bones will make it extra flavorful. Cut off the extra bits of fat on the chicken and slice them slightly so that the chicken thighs will cook evenly. Then, use a fork to poke holes on the chicken skin. This helps with speeding up the marinating process. Season the chicken with salt, pepper, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Give them a good massage and rub it all in. Next, coat the chicken with flour and we're all set to start cooking. Heat a pan and add butter and oil. I used avocado oil here. Put the chicken in skin down and give it a good sear. Leave it there for a few minutes before flipping over. That will make the skin crispy. Once it's nearly cooked through, remove the chicken from heat. You'll get a lot of oil from the chicken skin. As much as I want to keep all the flavor from the chicken, you don't need all of that, so pour it out so that a thin layer remains. Put in the bacon and let it cook until the flavor comes out. Once it's starting to get fragrant, add in the onion and mushrooms. Let it cook till the onion is all soft and transparent. Then add the star of the show, the beer. Add in the beer till it just about covers the food. Then turn it down to medium-low heat and add in your thyme and return the chicken back to the pot. Add in the chicken stock cube as well. point, put the lid back on and let it cook for an extra 10 to 15 minutes under medium-low heat. You can also choose to braise this in the oven under 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Once the time's up, remove the chicken. I like to remove the thyme from the sauce as well before thickening it. Turn the heat back up and add flour to thicken the sauce. Give it a good stir, then add parsley as a finishing touch. Then, you're ready to start plating. Pour the sauce over the chicken and serve it hot. This goes extremely well with mashed potatoes, so pair them with your favorite mashed potato recipe as well. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give it a try. I upload on this channel every other week. I also share stories on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me. I'll see you on my next video.